In the world of medicine, understanding the effectiveness of treatments is crucial. It's not just about finding a cure, but also about knowing how well a treatment works over time. We constantly seek ways to measure how well therapies work, especially when it comes to survival rates. This involves meticulous data collection and analysis to ensure accurate results. This is where the Kaplan-Meier method shines. It provides a robust framework for analyzing survival data, making it an invaluable tool in medical research. Imagine a tool that helps us track the percentage of patients doing well over a period of time, even with new patients joining the study and others dropping out. This flexibility is crucial in long-term studies. That's what the Kaplan-Meier method does. It allows researchers to update survival probabilities as new data comes in, providing a dynamic view of patient outcomes. It's a statistical approach that provides a clear picture of how a particular treatment impacts survival probabilities over time. By using this method, we can make more informed decisions about patient care and treatment strategies. Medical research relies heavily on data to prove or disprove hypotheses. Accurate data analysis is crucial for making informed decisions that can ultimately save lives. When we talk about life-saving treatments, we need robust methods to assess their impact. This is where statistical tools like the Kaplan-Meier estimator come into play. The Kaplan-Meier method is particularly valuable in studies where the main outcome of interest is the time until an event occurs, like death or disease progression. It helps researchers understand survival rates and the effectiveness of treatments over time. Unlike simpler methods, Kaplan-Meier accounts for patients who enter the study at different times or drop out before the study ends. This ensures that the data remains accurate and reliable, even with varying patient participation. This flexibility makes it an invaluable tool for researchers evaluating the effectiveness of new drugs, surgical procedures, or other medical interventions. By providing a clear picture of patient outcomes, Kaplan-Meier helps guide future medical research and treatment strategies. The results of a Kaplan-Meier analysis are typically presented as a graph, known as a survival curve. This curve visually depicts the probability of survival over time. The curve starts at 100% survival at the beginning of the study. As time progresses and events like death or disease progression occur, the curve steps down. Each step down on the curve represents an event occurring at that specific time point. The steeper the drop, the higher the number of events occurring in a shorter period. Section 4, a practical example of curve interpretation. Let's imagine we are comparing two groups of cancer patients, one group receiving a new experimental drug and the other receiving standard chemotherapy. We plot their survival data using the Kaplan-Meier method. If the curve for the group receiving the new drug stays consistently higher than the curve for the standard chemotherapy group, it suggests that the new drug might be more effective in prolonging survival. Section 5. The power of Kaplan-Meier for sales representatives. Now, you might wonder, how does this apply to me, a sales representative? Well, in the medical sales field, understanding clinical data is crucial for effectively communicating the value of your product to healthcare professionals. This is where the Kaplan-Meier method comes into play. By grasping the concepts behind the Kaplan-Meier method, sales representatives can confidently interpret survival curves and explain the benefits of their products to physicians. This method helps in visualizing patient survival rates over time, making it easier to convey complex information. This knowledge allows for more impactful presentations and strengthens the credibility of the sales representative in the eyes of healthcare providers. It not only enhances your ability to answer questions, but also builds trust, showing that you are well versed in the scientific aspects of your product.